Hello everyone, and welcome to an inside scoop at Fortress Foundation Solutions. Today we're here to show you a very unique property we've recently had the privilege to work on and tell you a little bit about its history. Here at Fortress, our expert system designers specialize in all things basements, crawl spaces, and foundations, and we were asked to play an integral role in helping to revitalize this unique and one-of-a-kind project on 2001 Rivermont Avenue, right here in Lynchburg, Virginia. This massive building was originally designed by architect J.M.B. Lewis in the early 1900s and was built for the vice president of the Heald Company, Englishman George Kerr. Eventually, in the 1950s, the property was converted into an institution for girls called the Seven Hills School. Over the years, in order to accommodate the growing need for space and expansion, both a modern gymnasium and a set of additional classrooms were added to the side of the home. The school eventually shut down in 1995 and was then purchased by the Virginia School for the Arts, where it was used for about 10 years until the arts program also shut down. The property was later purchased by a private party in 2011, and it has been mostly vacant ever since. Our team at Fortress Foundation Solutions was only one of several teams present from various companies working at the site and helping to fix up the property in various ways. When we first arrived at the site, it was clear that the once glorious property was now in complete disrepair and in almost entirely unlivable condition. Windows were broken, drywall was torn down, insulation was rotting, copper pipes were removed, paint was peeling, and many doors throughout the home did not close properly. The property needs hundreds of hours of repair work before it can ever be restored back to its former glory. And although our team is only working to restore the basement of the home, our services are a vital and necessary piece of the overall goal. When it comes to any property rich with history, such as the home on 2001 Rivermont Avenue, often some types of repairs can take away from the historical value of the property during the process of restoration. Our team of professionals pride themselves with a scientifically proven means of repair and revitalization that doesn't subtract from and replace the existing structure of a home, but rather adds to the foundation provided to create what we believe to be the perfect balance between historical preservation and functional usability. The best part about our services is the fact that our skills in repairing historical property are not unique to this home alone. Our team specializes in assessing various pieces of property with historical value, finding an appropriate balance between history and functionality, and creating a custom solution to almost every problem facing basements, crawl spaces, and foundations. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like and share with your friends, as it really does help us out. To find out more about who we are, what we do, and how we can help you with your basement, foundation, or crawl space, give us a call at 434-299-9393 or visit us at our website at fortressfoundationsolutions.com.